Are you ready to expand your webinar reach and generate more leads with powerful content? Try our YouTube live streaming feature today. Here's how. Go to your webinar room and choose Live Stream from the dashboard. Click on Add Live Stream. In the pop-up, click the YouTube Live button. We will get back to this window in just a few seconds. Now, go to your YouTube account. To move on, you need to have a verified YouTube account. Note that the verification process takes 24 hours. From the Creator Studio menu, choose Live Streaming and click Stream Now. Now, scroll down to the encoder setup and copy the server URL. Go back to your webinar room and paste it in the live stream pop-up. Again, from the YouTube encoder setup, copy the stream name key, then paste it here, back in your webinar room. Right below, you can choose how your YouTube stream will look. Then, click Go Live. In the upper left corner, you will see a confirmation pop-up. Well done! Now you are ready to start your webinar and stream it live. YouTube live streaming feature is available for My Webinars Pro plans only. Upgrade your account today and engage your audience like never before.